Hi there, Ibrahim here from Elegant Radiators. We have thermostatic heating element for towel rail radiators made by EcoRodco. This one is a 600 watt black. Comes with the user manual, which can be downloaded from our website. This element comes with the matching color cable, approximately 1.5 meter long, with a naked end, and this needs to be wired into the fuse spur or fuse plugs. This is a single rod element with the 1/2 inch BSP thread and the special rubber seal at the bottom. On the element controller we have 4 buttons: on and off, timer, booster button, which can be set up to 1 hour to 5 hours, but it cannot be programmed. We got also a plus and minus to adjust the temperature, and we have a display which shows the room temperature as well as the temperature you have set it up. This element will sense the room temperature. Not like other elements inside the radiator temperature. We have a sensor probe on the back of the element. This element will keep and work according to the room temperature, not for the towel radiator temperature. We have outstanding customer service. If you have any questions or any doubts how to set up your electric towel rail or which element to use, please give us a call or contact us via live chat on our website.